This video is going to show you how to set up a shared PowerPoint slide deck. I've started here in office.com, and then I want to go to my OneDrive. That takes me here. Here at the OneDrive, I'm going to choose New, the plus sign where it says New. I press on New, and I'm going to choose PowerPoint Presentation. And that opens up a brand new online PowerPoint presentation. And it's loading up here. It's automatically titled Presentation 1. So you're going to want to give that a name. And you do that just by clicking on it and typing in the title. I'm just going to put Test Presentation. Now I've got my test presentation. It has one slide, which is the title slide. I want to come to Insert and New Slide because I want to add a slide for each member of my class. I'm going to choose title only and then add slide, and that gives me a second slide. And here's where I can type the student's name. Now from here, I want to make this a little bit faster. And so if I right click on that slide, I can just select New Slide and have the exact same slide, and I can add the next student's name. Right click on the slide over here, New Slide, type student name over here. You can come back to the title slide and give that a test slide. So now I've created the slide deck. I have 4 slides. I can add as many slides as I want just by right-clicking New Slide, right-click New Slide. It goes like that. Now, in order to get my whole class into this slide deck, I need to come over to Share, and it's going to load up Share. And then I need to choose Copy Link. And I click on that, copy my link, and it says my link was copied, so then I'll get out of it. Now I'm going to open a new tab up here, and I'm going to go to bit.ly, and this is how we make a shortened web address. And I click bit.ly, and this is going to get me to this page. I'm already signed in. I had to set up an account, and these are all of the shortened URLs that I've created. You come up here to Create, and here you will paste that URL that you copied from your slide deck. And this is the URL right here. It says Customize. And here you want to give it something that's going to be easier for the kids to find. So we might put Test Present and save. It says, oh, there's an error. That one's been taken. So I just sometimes put a number after it. And that one's been taken. So I'll put a couple numbers after it. And that one's been edited. So now if we went to bit.ly/testpresent309, that will take us to our test presentation. I can copy over here, hit copy. I can open a new tab, right click, paste and go, and it should open that new PowerPoint online test slide presentation. As long as you're online, this will update automatically. Share will also allow you to send this via email. You could enter someone's email address into this spot, and it would send them an email. You could send that email to yourself even, and it would send you an email with this test presentation. So if we back up to our steps, we started at office.com. We went to OneDrive and chose New, and then we chose PowerPoint Presentation. Once we got to our test presentation, we changed the title by clicking on the title up here. We went over here and we went to Insert New Slide and chose the type or the format of slide that we wanted and added the slide. Then we right-clicked on the individual slide and chose New Slide, and then they added down the line. All right, that's how to create a PowerPoint presentation on PowerPoint Online.